Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Mobile Reviews channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy M18 5G, a smartphone designed for users who want strong performance, a premium display, and long-term software support at a reasonable price. Starting with the design and build, the Galaxy M18 5G features a flat body with a plastic frame that gives a metallic feel in hand. The phone feels solid and comfortable for daily use. On the front and back, Samsung has added Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, providing strong protection against scratches and minor drops. One of the biggest highlights is the 6,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day and more, even with heavy usage. It supports 25W fast charging, comes with a USB Type-C port, and also offers reverse wired charging, making it useful in emergencies. In the camera department, the phone packs a 50MP dual rear camera setup with OIS, night mode, and HDR support. It can record full HD plus videos, delivering stable and sharp results. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera that supports 1080p video recording, wide mode, and HDR for clear selfies and video calls. For audio and connectivity, you get a loudspeaker, dual microphones, NFC support, and USB Type-C 2.0, ensuring a smooth multimedia and connectivity experience. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, optimized for daily tasks and efficient performance. The phone runs on Android 17 with the latest One UI, and Samsung promises an impressive 6 years of major software upgrades, which is rare in this segment. Security features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, AI Face Unlock, and Samsung Knox for enhanced data protection. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display is another standout feature, offering a 90Hz refresh rate, 1 billion colors, and up to 1600 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for streaming and outdoor use. The Galaxy M18 5G comes in 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM options, with 128GB or 256GB internal storage, expandable up to 2TB via microSD card. Multiple color options are available, along with IP54 water and dust resistance. It also includes a hybrid SIM slot, allowing dual nano SIMs or SIM plus SD card. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.